Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dan. This is my channel, Dan's Carving. This episode we are going to do another one-sided moose antler, except the opposite side. This one, I want to make it really legible from like quite a distance, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to carve a very large bull moose right in the middle, and then we're going to do a lot of decorative stuff around the edges, and then this one I'm going to end up painting as well. So yeah, we're going to run this in time lapse. Like I said before, doing this stuff is like crazy hours. But we're going to skip through a bunch of stuff that's, you know, not too fun to watch. And then I'll probably end up skipping through the painting because, quite honestly, that stuff's pretty dull to watch. And anyways, you get the idea. So we're going to set up inside. Don't forget, wear your chemical mask. Good ventilation, fan, whatever you got to do to get away from the dust from this stuff. It's nasty. So yeah, we're going to go inside, set up on this, do a little rough sketch on it, and then start drilling and shaping and make magic happen. So yeah, going to get this done, and I'll be back after the intro.